Hello, I'm Neelam Pandey and you're watching Point of Politics. Union Home Minister Amit Shah met US Ambassador to India Sergio Gore in Delhi Thursday. The rare meeting came a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump held a bilateral meeting on the sidelines of the G7 summit in France. The meeting assumes significance politically also because Shah rarely meets foreign delegates and ministers, and it comes, as I said, a day after Prime Minister's meeting with Donald Trump in France. According to a BJP source, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has hardly met any foreign diplomat since assuming the responsibility of the Home Minister. While he has met a few ambassadors individually during his tenure as BJP president earlier, he has generally not done so in his capacity as Home Minister, though there have been a few instances. The source also pointed out that Shah had also recently met Rabi Lamichhane of Nepal. The issue of Shah's foreign visits or meetings with foreign delegates has always generated interest, with many within the BJP also discussing it. In fact, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey had once pointed out that Amit Shah's strict domestic focus shows he believes his time is best spent on domestic governance and traveling only to areas where the BJP can directly connect with voters and secure electoral benefit. Not only this, but as Union Home Minister since 2019, Shah hasn't undertaken any foreign visits also, neither official nor personal. Though his predecessor, Rajnath Singh, who is now the Union Defence Minister, had visited several countries in his capacity as the Home Minister. Since 2006, in fact, Shah has not gone on a foreign visit. Talking about some of his previous meetings, a senior leader told the print that in 2019, Shah had reportedly held separate meetings with Bangladesh Border Guard Director General Major General Mohammad Shafinul Islam, Bhutan Foreign Minister, Interpol Secretary General, and Singapore Home Affairs Minister during that time. Sergio Gore is the third US ambassador to meet Amit Shah since he first assumed office as Home Minister in 2019. He had previously met the then US Ambassador Kenneth Jester in 2019 and Ambassador Eric Garcetti in 2023. Shah, as I pointed out earlier, had last visited a foreign country in 2006 when, as Gujarat's Minister of Home, he had led a delegation to Germany. Earlier this month, in June, Shah had also met a Nepalese delegation led by Rabi Lamichhane, who is the chairman of the Rashtriya Swatantra Party (RSP) in Delhi. And following this meeting, to highlight the importance of this meeting, Shah had taken to X and pointed out that both sides have reaffirmed their commitment to strengthening the special relationship between India and Nepal. A senior BJP leader also told the print that even during his tenure as BJP president, Shah had met only a limited number of ambassadors individually and generally did not engage with foreign delegations. The print had also earlier reported that on the sidelines of the third No Money for Terror conference held in New Delhi in November 2022, he had at that point met Maldives Home Minister Imran Abdullah, then Nigerian Interior Minister, and a few other foreign delegates. After the meeting with the US ambassador on Thursday, Shah posted on X that he had met Sergio Gore in New Delhi and had held detailed discussions on further strengthening India-US cooperation in security matters, particularly counterterrorism and counter narcotics. He also stated that the discussions focused on enhancing India-US security cooperation, especially in counter-terrorism and counter-narcotics efforts. Shah also pointed out that under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, India remains committed to advancing the India-US comprehensive global strategic partnership and ensuring the citizens of both countries benefit from the bilateral relationship. Gore also posted on X that discussions between the two focused on protecting people from narcotics and illicit drugs and strengthening border security. He also said that he had an excellent meeting with Shah and that they had productive discussions on expanding cooperation to combat terrorism, protect citizens from narcotics and illicit drugs, secure borders, and as well as to work together to bring criminals to justice in both countries. This meeting also assumes importance because of the way Amit Shah actually projected it on social media. As I pointed out earlier, apart from the foreign delegation from Nepal, the only foreign delegates that he has met are mostly from the US. So it also shows how importantly the government as well as the party looks at such meetings. This is Neelam Pandey reporting for The Print.